Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Tronsmart T7. Now this is a thumping 360 sound Bluetooth speaker. Now you can pick this one up online. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on this one is 60 bucks. I repeat, 60 bucks. Now let me start off by saying this. Shout out to Tronsmart for sponsoring this giveaway. Now I'm going to pick 3 winners. Okay, if you want a chance to win one of these Tronsmart speakers, all you got to do is leave a comment in this video with a hashtag pick me or hashtag I want to win or hashtag floss you the boss, whatever you want. And I'm going to wait 7 days. I'll pick 3 people and I'll leave their names. I'll pin a comment. I'll reach out to you and you could win a Tronsmart T7 speaker. Now on a side note, I know a lot of y'all always say, oh, I never win anything. Look, it's just like the lotto. You got to be in it to win it. It don't hurt to try. All right, so let's check this out. Now, this one comes in one color, black. Okay, you got Bluetooth version 5.3. Now, the speaker's IPX7 water resistant. You got 30 watts of power. That's coming from 2 tweeters and 1 woofer. Now, you can play music using Bluetooth or an SD card. Now, you got a cylindrical design. That's going to give you 360 sound. You got an intuitive rotating wheel. All right, that's kind of nice. You got multiple LED modes. Yes, RGB lights. You got custom EQ settings and presets. You got true wireless stereo, so you can pair 2 of these together wirelessly. Now, the battery life on this is 12 hours. You also got a built-in mic for hands-free calls. And you got an app that's available for Android and iOS that lets you customize all of the settings. All right, so all of that for 60 bucks. Let's see what it is. First things first, shout out to White Shoes, back in the building.
I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes.
White Shoes,
I love my white
calm down. Okay, here we go. Tronsmart T7. This is thumping 360 sound. Okay, extraordinary stereo sound, intuitive volume wheel, IPX7. Let's see, did I miss anything? You got Sound Pulse technology, IPX7. You got a portable lanyard, okay, makes it easy to carry around. 12 hours battery life, vibrant LED modes, y'all know, hashtag RGB life, and custom EQs via the app. Okay, let me grab a little unboxing knife, okay? Let's get to poking. Here we go. Rah. Okay, Tronsmart T7. Now, y'all remember my motto, okay? Shop smarter, not harder. Kids going back to school, this is the perfect gift right here. Let's go ahead and pop this one open. Okay, Tronsmart T7. Now, let's see what you get inside. Now, this should be your USB charging cable. Okay, this is USB-A to USB Type-C. All right, Shoes, you want to inspect that for quality? Do your thing. All right, got to put Shoes to work out here. Of course, you got your usual books and shit. Plug them and follow them. And this is going to be your speaker. Okay, the Tronsmart T7. Now, this is a nice, lightweight, portable speaker. Let's take a look real quick on the top. Now, you got a rotating wheel. That's your volume control. You got RGB lights underneath that. Here's your carrying lanyard. Now you got your buttons. So you got power on and off. This will also cycle between your RGB lights, 4 different modes. Okay? You got reverse tracks, skip tracks, play and pause, also answering them phone calls. And you got a multifunctional button. Now this lets you cycle between all your custom EQ settings. Now since it is water resistant, you got a little flap. There's your SD card slot and USB Type-C charging slot. On the bottom, you got 4 rubber stoppers. That's going to keep it in place. Okay? And that's pretty much it. Nice cloth texture around the speaker. Designed to be stand-up just like this and give you that 360 sound. All right, so let me grab a phone and we'll pair this up. Talk amongst yourselves. All right, y'all, so we back in. Now, I forgot to say this when I did my last speaker video, but the first thing you want to do anytime you get a new speaker or new headphones, new earbuds, a new laptop, you want to go online and check for an update. Now, the first thing I did with this speaker, update the firmware. All right, so now that the speaker is fully updated, let's take a look at the app. So we're going to hit T7. It connects just like that. So it shows you the battery percentage of your speaker. Okay. You got custom preset EQs. So we got default, deep bass, rock, sound pulse, classical, and you can customize it. So let's get and hit customize. And I'll drop my favorite EQ settings, the V shape. But we'll start off on default. Okay. Now you also got settings. So you can play music from your Bluetooth, your SD card, and you got stereo pairing mode. You can also power the speaker on and off. Simple and straightforward. All right, so now let's take a look at the RGB ring around the top. Now, if you hit the power button, right now it's off. There's the first one. Okay. There's the second one. That's the third one. And the fourth one. Now, the first one actually goes with the music, so we're going to leave it on that one. All right, so let's grab a phone and play some music. All right, so I'm going to play some music at max volume, and I got the EQ set to default. Now, I'm going to let the song play for a couple of seconds, and then we'll start cycling between all of the different EQ modes. All right, here we go. Put your headphones on. Switch. Okay, let's do my custom. Okay, now I'm sitting right in front of the speaker. I like my custom EQ setting the best. Let's try one more song. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, for $60, as Bob Barker would say, the price is right. The sound quality on this is pretty good. You got the RGB lights, and you got a bunch of features. Let's play with some of those features right now. All right, so now let's go over all of the controls. You got play and pause in the middle. Okay, you got your volume wheel on the top. That's max volume. Or you can turn it down just like that. Okay, now hit the power button once. That'll cycle between all your different LED modes. Or if you want to save battery, you can just turn it off. Now you got reverse tracks. You got skip tracks. The play and pause button also answers and phone calls and also gives you your voice assistant. Double tap. What's the weather for tomorrow?
Looks like it will be partly cloudy tomorrow. Daytime temperatures will hover around 88 degrees, with overnight lows around 68 degrees.
Okay. Turn the volume back down some. And you got your multifunctional button that actually changes your EQ. So watch this. Every time you tap it, changes your EQ. So you don't have to pull the phone out to get to your EQ settings. Pretty dope. All right, so all of the controls work. Now, one of my favorite features to have on a Bluetooth speaker is speakerphone. So let's get and try that out. Let me call up Amaya. Okay, Tronsmart T7.
Hello, Father.
Hi, girlie.
How you doing?
I'm good. What you doing?
No, I'm dead. I'm eating.
Oh, you be being a fat ass.
Don't worry about me.
All right, check this out. I'm doing a video. You know, got to put you to work. How do I sound?
You sound a little like, is this a speaker?
Yeah, it's a speakerphone.
You got it mad close to the actual phone.
All right, but I sound good, though. You can hear me.
You sound good, but I hear my echo. Like, what are you doing?
I'm on a speakerphone, bro.
Yeah, but move your phone from so close to the
Okay.
speaker.
Oh, I'm sorry.
That's the dumbest thing I've heard all year.
Yo, come on, bro. Yo, remember the deal. All right, you remember the deal. See, you broke the streak.
Right.
You supposed to be nice for me for 30 days straight.
I do need a car. I'll be nice. Oh my
It's
God,
30 days, bro. You see, now we got to start over. You got to be nice to me for 30 days straight.
Start over. Oh my God, your skin is so clear today.
Oh, okay, capper. All right, so let me finish shooting this video. I'm going to call you back.
All right.
All right, bye.
All right, bye.
Gotta bribe Amaya to be nice to me for 30 days. Anyway, speakerphone. How dope is that? You're playing your music, you get a phone call, you got to do some work, take care of some business real quick. All you got to do, answer the phone call or end it right from the speaker, and then bang, right back to your music. Pretty dope. All right, so now let's try true wireless stereo mode. Now to pair two of these together, real simple, go to the first speaker, hit the multifunctional button twice. That'll put it in TWS mode. Do the same thing on the second speaker, wait about 5 seconds, and it'll automatically connect. Now you can also do the same thing from the app. All right, here we go. Max volume.
Yo, I got a question for you. How many times you knew I was checking for you? How many? Put it on the line, grab the weapon for you. For real, I was front line, I was repping for you. Trapper, came by myself, I was stepping for you. Trapper, turned the L to a lesson for you. Cash, turned one night to a blessing for you. You didn't think I'd do something special for you, but I wouldn't do nothing special unless it's for you. And that's the thing about it. And I can't sleep at night when I think about it. These niggas think they got it, but I really got it. These niggas think they profit, but I really profit. I done left the town, got it really poppin'. These niggas window shot when I'm really copping. I'm from the city where niggas be milli rockin'. I might pull up in 650s with silly options, but what's the mathematics? Would you still stick around if I ain't have cabbage? Would you come to my shows if I rapped average? Except on my flows and my bad habits. Heal all my wounds from the backstabbers. And never be someone who would backstab me. Never. Ready for that ride in the black caddy. My son, one son, tell him ask daddy. He'll be mad happy. But I'm just trying to chill and twist the line. Catch stunts in my 745. Drive me crazy, shorty, please. Just wanna see you feel real. But if I post this little bitch on my close friends, you ask about it and I act like I got no sense. Spend on me, or would you spend for me? How deep is our love if that's what it takes me to creep in the club? The shit beneath me has to reach from above. The old me would've reached for the glove. You just playing, yo, you know what I'm saying. But oh no, when it's over, I just hope that you stand. Because girl, it's easy to love me now. You crazy, man. Love me if I was down and out. Would you still have love for me?
Let's go. Let that ride out. Let's go ahead and wrap this up. All right, so overall, on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm giving the Tronsmart T7 a major go. You're getting 12-hour battery life. The speaker's IPX7, water resistant. You got a durable, rugged design. You get 360 sound, so you put the speaker in the middle of the table. Everybody's going to hear it, no matter where they're sitting. You got an app that lets you change all your EQ settings. You got a built-in mic for phone calls, RGB lights to set the mood, and you can pair two of these together. But most importantly, the price, $60. as Bob Barker would say, the price is right. Anyway, the Tronsmart T7, hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this. And don't forget, I'm giving away 3 of these. All you got to do is leave a comment with a hashtag, pick me, I want to win, or whatever you want. All right, something catchy to get my attention. And in 7 days, matter of fact, let's do a reminder right now. Remind me in 8 days to pick the Tronsmart winner.
Okay, your reminder is set for August 26th, 2000.
Okay, August 26th, we're going to announce the winner. The 3 winners, I'm going to pin their comments. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this one. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Boxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know. Stream gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter, that's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. Hashtag salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes. Picture me rolling. It's your boy Flossy, man. Deuces. Spock won the beam up. Energize.
We're in a situation where everybody in the world uses technology. And if you're gonna buy some of that technology, you gotta understand certain things. Subscribe to Flossy Carter. He does reviews of all the latest technology. The iPhones, the iPads, the Galaxies, the Samsungs, whatever the fuck. The Beats by that doctor guy. And he puts his kitty cat in the videos too for you something to look at. You know, I'm an animal lover, so I like that shit. So make sure you hit the subscribe button to Flossy Carter on the YouTube, the follow button on the Instaface, and the like button on the Facelook. Because if you don't, we're gonna have a fucking problem here. A bad one. Now hit the fucking subscribe button.